How to report missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly report missing or incorrect items on DoorDash. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first, go to the DoorDash.com on your browser and open the DoorDash.com website. And now here, once you're inside the website, make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once logged in, just click on the account icon and then select orders to view your recent deliveries. And now with that, simply choose the order that's missing an item or has incorrect food. And after that, you can simply scroll down and click on help or look for a report an issue button on the order page. And now there you can choose the issues like missing item if something wasn't delivered or incorrect item if you received the wrong food. And with that, you simply need to select the exact items you had a problem with and write a quick note if needed. And after that, you can simply click submit. And here, DoorDash typically offers a refund, credit, or redelivery based on your issues. And you will get a confirmation once your report is reviewed. And that's it. That's how you can report a missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.